Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the APC BX600C-IN back UPS or backups, if you want to call it like that. This is APC by Schneider Electrics, which is a very well-known company, well-known manufacturer of electronic devices. A lot and lots of information on this. This is a pretty large UPS, you can tell. Let's go with the information. So this is the Home Office series. The model number is given here and has a runtime of 27 minutes. Battery saver, increases battery life up to 2x, which is not bad. It has surge protection, which is very important, especially in India, where power outage is a legitimate problem. Automatic voltage regulation, once again, very important. What do we have here? 600 volts of 600 volt ampere or 360 watts peak. This is basically the load capacity. 4 to 6 hours of fast recharge, that's how long it will take to recharge once it completely runs out of charge. 2 years of warranty and quite less beeping. BIS safety certified as well. This is a user manual, first thing on top. Important safety information, user manual. You must read it at least once. More safety information, it's written save this guide, so please do just that. And limited warranty information, so I'm going to keep them here. Let's come. Let's get you a closer look at what the front side looks like. Yeah, see, you can see the APC logo by Schneider. This is a power button and this is a battery saver button. Extends battery life for when power goes out. You can just click on it and it will save the battery. And but when you're running it with a PC or a desktop, I don't know how that works obviously, but obviously it has a system in place to take care of that. It's black in color, has a couple of vents here. There, I'll show them to you. I have a couple of vents here. It is 5 kilos heavy, so you have to be a little you have to be careful carrying this around or moving this around. The idea is to keep it on one side and forget about it. I think it will solve that purpose pretty well. 3 sockets at the back, so that's 1, 2, 3. You can connect routers, you can connect your PC, printers even, speakers if you want to. And let's take a look at the cable. This is the cable. It's a standard 3-pin 15 ampere jack with it. It is 1.2 meters long, and that's what you'll find inside this box containing the APC BX600C-IN backups or back UPS, whichever you feel convenient with. Thank you for watching.